Alright, I said I'd have a special unboxing, and here it is. 50 card set of the Simpson case. I don't understand it. I don't know who gave me these. I don't know why they gave me these. I had to be a child when I was given them, because why would I want them? This is just crazy. I don't get it. Oh, it comes with the Bronco card. Like, each one of them has story behind it. I don't know what to tell y'all, but this is what I have. See, when you go digging for stuff, that's what you find. Like, is that not wild? Who made these cards? Why'd they make these cards? Like, I know it was popular back in the time when all this happened, but still, what does that say? 1994. What the heck? Is that not wild?